good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I did my vlog, so we're going to Waterfalls, and yeah, I will show you guys when we get there. Hi guys, we just arrived. We have to pay for cottage and entrance, like for 30 pesos. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go pay for the cottage. Do we really need the cottage?
Yeah, for our bags.
Yeah, but how can you leave the bags like this in the open area?
No, it's over there.
Oh, over there. If they're not secured, isn't it? Hello, doggers. Hello.
Saan kuya?
Alright, kuya.
Thank you.
Cheers, brother. Hello, guys.
It's over there. Hi ate, good morning.
Hello, morning. What are we paying here for?
Ano babayaran?
Entry fee?
Entrance fee.
Entrance fee, alright.
Only one.
Oh, okay, right. Okay.
Magkano po lahat?
60 na.
Thank you.
Thank you ate.
So this one
Saan
now?
way?
Yes.
Thank you.
Let's go.
A little height.
That's what we came for.
Oh, it's kind of nice though. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the beach right now, on the way to Santa Cruz. We found this beach. We failed in the waterfalls, but still lucky to found this beach. It's here. Oh, it's really nice, because the first beach that we found, we have to pay like 150 for entrance fee. And good thing we saw this sign outside. It's really nice beach. Yeah, we're still lucky to find this beach. It's in Dasol, Pangasinan. Here's the beach, guys. It is the seaside. Houses. Big boat. The sand is kind of okay. There's no much basura. It's really nice and quiet, but peaceful. There's more oh look at that water. It's really okay guys, thank you for watching my vlog, and if you enjoy it, please subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.